Coach Darvin, and I am the owner and founder of Global Credit Help. Today I want to tell you about a new exciting product that we just launched called the Business Box Kit. So listen up, if you are a novice in business, somebody that's on the fence, if you don't know if you should start a business or not, this is a great business kit for you, okay? Because it has the exact things that you need to do so you don't have to worry about getting to this next level. Those individuals that's already in business, this is a great product for you, okay? Because inside this product, we have over 100 companies, okay, that you can get corporate credit from. Different companies like Amazon, Home Depot, Lowe's, Menards, right? For all my real estate investors, you need these accounts so that you can have more leverage as well, okay? So it's hundreds of companies, guys. Best Buy, Walmart, all of these companies give corporate credit. So they're in this Business Box Kit. I haven't seen a kit that had so much information with all the companies, where to go to, what business bureaus do they pull from, what business credit reports do they report to, okay? This information is inside the Business Box Kit so that you can be most successful. What else is in the Business Box Kit, Coach? So, guys, all of your foundational steps, step by step by step, so you won't make any errors. We even have companies in there where you don't have to pay for a business line. If you're on a budget, well, we have places where you can go and get a free business line. Same thing with listing your company. There's information there where you can list your company for free, so you won't have those expenses. Okay, guys? Also, another great thing about this Business Box Kit is that it also has the information for those individuals that may have negative information on their business credit report. A lot of people don't know what to do. So we have the information there where you can dispute your business negative marks, okay? In addition to that, we also have information for those individuals that's getting into trucking. Maybe you want to lease some vehicles, or you want to make sure you have all of your gas cars and your fuel maintenance cars and supplies. We have all the companies there for you so that you can be most successful. We even have the information on when to apply and when not to apply. So listen, guys, the Business Box Kit is for you. So guess what we did? What we did for you was we cut the price in half. The normal price, guys, of the Business Box Kit is $999. So if you buy this Business Box Kit today, you'll be getting it for $499. Listen to me very seriously. All of this information that's in here is priceless, guys. Okay? You will be able to get hundreds of thousands of dollars in business credit from these companies on this list just by simply applying. So, I don't know what you're waiting for. The Business Box Kit is right here for you. Buy it now, and we'll send it to your email shortly. This is the coach in the building. I'll see you later.